How to download games on your iPad? To download games, you need to go to the App Store. Let's go to App Store. By the way, you can go to App Store by Spotlight search or even the app library. So you can see we have App Store over here. By default, it is in search. In my case, sometimes it will just go to today or apps or arcade because we want to download apps. So here you can see we are in arcade. So these are all the apps that are available, right? So some are free, some are paid. So let's say I want to download Candy Crush. So I'm just going to look up for it. So I search Candy Crush and we have Candy Crush Saga, Jelly, Soda Saga, whatever you want, you can just click on get. And for some applications, you will need Touch ID to install. In others, you may not need Touch ID. So in this case, I do need a Touch ID. So I will put in my fingerprint. So I've put in my fingerprint and I now hit install. So now that I have put in my Touch ID or my password, it has started downloading. So I can just track the progress here as well. If I go to home, it's actually going to show me a progress, as you can see over here. So it's telling me the app is installing, and after it's been installed, I can actually use it. So that is useful as well. You don't need to actually be in the App Store to know what the progress is. So there you go. And I can now play Candy Crush on my iPad. That's nice. So I'm off to playing games on my iPad. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. Have fun. See you in the next video. And also like, share and subscribe.